Hello friends, welcome to my channel Tricky Notes. Friends, today we'll be discussing on a topic that is divisibility test of numbers. Friends, this has been a request to me by many of my students, so on their request I'm making this video, divisibility test of numbers. So in this video we will see how a number, how can we know whether a number is divisible by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and so on. Please watch the video till last because at the end I'm going to tell you about some special numbers. Okay, how can you know whether a number is divisible by those special numbers? Okay, so let's start this video. Divisibility test by 2. A number is divisible by 2 if its unit digit is any of these numbers: 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. That means all even numbers. When I'm saying 0, the number cannot be 0. The unit digit has to be 0. So with this 0 we need to have any number: 1, 2, 3, 10 can be divisible by 2, 20 can be divisible by 2, but it cannot be 0. Fine. So any even number, any number which is an even number is divisible by 2. So it's very easy. Let's move on to the other number, that is divisibility test by 3. How can you know whether a number is divisible by 3 or not? If a number is divisible by 3, then the sum of its digits should be divisible by 3. Let's take for example 396. So if I add these three numbers, 3, 9, 6, it is 18. So 18 is divisible by 3, so the number is divisible by 3. 121. 1 plus 2 plus 1, this is 4. Now 4 is not divisible by 3, so the number is not divisible by 3. It's very easy. So a number is, if the sum of the individual digits, if the sum of the digits is divisible by 3, the whole number is divisible by 3. Let's move on to 4. Divisibility test by 4. How can you know whether a number is divisible by 4 or not? If the last two digits are divisible by 4, last two digits, whatever the number is, let us say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, the number is this. We'll just see the last two digits. If 56 is divisible by 4, then whole number is divisible by 4. So we know 14 4s are 56, so 56 is divisible by 4, so the whole number is divisible by 4. Now if 1, 2, 3, 2, 9, 29 is not divisible by 4, so the whole number is not divisible by 4. Now let's move on to divisibility test by 5. It is very easy. If the unit digit is 0 or 5, like we can have the tens digit anything. It can be 1, it can be 2, it can be 3, but if the unit digits are either 0 or 5, the numbers are divisible by 5. It's very easy. Now divisibility test by 6. Here we need to remember two things. If a number is divisible by 2 and 3 both, and if a number is divisible by 2 and 3 both, then the number is divisible by 6. So if a number is divisible by 2, we know it has to be an even number. So any even number which is divisible by 3 is divisible by 6. So if a number is divisible by 2 and 3 both, let us say 236. 2 plus 3 plus 6, it's an even number, but 236, the summation is 11. So it is not divisible by 3, so the number is not divisible by 3. 237, 2 plus 3 plus 7, it is 12. It is divisible by 3, but it's not an even number, so it's not divisible by 6. Now 246, now it's an even number and it is also divisible by 3 because we have 12 here, 12 by 3, so it's divisible. So the number is divisible by 2 and 3 both, so now this is divisible by 6. Let's move on to 7. This is something different, we need to concentrate. A number is divisible by 7 if the difference between the twice of the digits at one place. That means we have taken this example. The ones place is 8. So the twice of 8, see the twice of 8 and the difference at the tens place, digits at the tens place is either 0 or divisible by 7. So the remaining digit is 65. 65 minus 16 is 49. 49 is divisible by 7. The whole number is divisible by 7. Divisibility test by 8. When the last 3 digits of a number is divisible by 8. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we need to see whether these 3 digits are divisible by 8 or not. If yes, the whole number is divisible. If no, then the whole number is not divisible. Now we will see these 3 numbers. 8 5 ja 40, again 8 7 ja 56. So these 3 digits are divisible. So the whole number is divisible. When the sum of the digits is divisible by 9, the whole number is divisible by 9. It is similar to 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I'll add all the numbers. 3, 3, 6, 10, 15, 21. Now 21 is not divisible by 9. So the number is not divisible by 9. 9, 9, 6, 6. Now this is 18, 24, 30. It's not divisible by 9. Let us take one more example. 1, 8, 9. Now the sum is 18. 18 by 9. Yes, it's divisible. So if the sum of the digits is divisible by 9, the number is divisible by 9. For 10, I don't have to tell you, if the unit digit is 0, all the numbers are divisible by 10. But for 11, we need to see if the difference between the sum of the digits at odd places and the sum of the digits at the even places. Now make all the odd places 1. Let's take for example 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. Now this is an odd place, this is an odd place, this is an odd place. Now if I'll add these 3 places, this is coming 5. Now if I'll add these 2 places, even places, now this is coming 4. So if the difference between these 2 is 1, so if digits even places and odd places is 0 or a number divisible by 11, then the number is divisible by. So now this is not divisible by 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now this is an odd place. If I'll add 1, 3, 4, 4, 3, 7, 7, 1, 8. Now 2, 4, 2, 2. Now this is 8. 8 minus 8, 0. Now this is divisible by 11. So any number where the odd places sum and the even places sum, if the difference is 0 or divisible by 11, the number is divisible by 11. Now 12. As we were checking in 6, checking for 6, we can check for 12 also. If a number is divisible by 3 and 4 both, so how can you check whether a number is divisible by 3 or not? If the sum of the digits is divisible by 3, the number is divisible by 3. If the last 2 digits are divisible by 4, the number is divisible by 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's check. I know these 2 digits are divisible by 4. So the number is divisible by 4. But let me check whether the number is divisible by 3 or not. This is 3, 3, 6, 10, 15, 21. So the number is divisible by 3 also. So the number is divisible by 12 also. For 25, it's very easy. If the last 2 digits are divisible by 25, then the number is divisible by 25. That means it should be 0, 0, 2, 5, 5, 0 or 7, 5. Then the numbers are divisible by 25. Let the number be anything here. For 27, when the sum of the digit is divisible by 27, as it is for 3, as it is for 9, it's similar for 27. Take an example, add all the digits. If the sum is divisible by 27, the number is divisible by 27. For 125, as we were doing in 25, there we were checking the last two digits. Here we will check the last three digits. So if the last three digits are 000, 125, 250, 375, then the number, whatever it is here, the numbers are divisible by 125. Now, as I was telling you, at the end I will tell you something for the special numbers. Now here comes the special number. If a number is formed by repeating a digits 6 times, any number, here I have taken as an example 6, I have taken 6, 6. So the number is divisible by 7, 11 and 13. Any number, if I will take 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, I have taken 6 fours. So the number is divisible by 7, 11 and 13. This is 1. You can check any number. Number 2, if a number is formed repeating two digits numbers 3 times, for example here I have taken 6, 7, 6, 7, 6, 7. The number is divisible by 7. You can check 4, 5, 4, 5, 4, 5. Now this number is also divisible by 7. Now number 3, if a number is formed by repeating a 3-digit number 2 times, here I have taken a 2-digit number 3 times, here I am taking a 3-digit number 2 times, 453, 453. So the number is again divisible by 7, 11 and 13. So these are some special cases you need to remember. These are exciting cases you need to remember. Any number, once again I am telling you, any number which repeats 6 times is divisible by 7, 11, 13. Any number which repeats, any 2-digit number repeats 3 times is divisible by 7. Any 3-digit number which repeats 2 times is again divisible by 7, 11 and 13. So friends, with this I am ending my video. If you have any questions or any tricks you want to know, give us any questions at the comment box or give us any feedbacks for improvement. Subscribe our channel, like and share our videos. Thank you.